How to lose 10 pounds in 14 days so you fit into your skinny jeans and you actually outshine the bride when you're the bridesmaid at her wedding. The 60-second, flat belly trick that burns up ugly fat like a gasoline-soaked log thrown into a bonfire. The amazing experience of waking up every morning wide-eyed like a puppy, bursting with energy because you can't wait any longer to pick out another slim and sexy outfit that fits your body just right and makes you feel like $1 million all day long in front of your jealous coworkers. One simple total body movement that anyone can do to rapidly tone your abs, chest, shoulders, core, and the back of your jiggly arms in seconds, saving you hours every week so you can spend more time making lifelong memories with your family and friends. The exact cardio sequence that Jennifer Lopez uses to look unbelievable and tone every inch of her body at age 46 that you can do right in your living room with just 3 feet of space to get even better results in a fraction of the time. The foolproof method to getting a firm and flat belly in just minutes a day so you can be the hero and role model your children deserve in this world of childhood obesity, million-dollar medical bills, and greedy food corporations trying to get in your pockets at every turn while keeping you fat and hungry. The look on your best friend's face as you meet for dinner and her jaw drops with envy as you show off a new sleek, tight-fitting dress while she hides behind layers of bulky clothes wishing she were you. The underground fountain of youth secret that instantly turns on your anti-aging hormones so you turn back the clock 10+ years without wasting any money on expensive creams, lotions, or other garbage products whose only goal for you is to buy more. Finally get back at the diet company creeps who suck in poor women and men every year to waste thousands of dollars on their horrible meals and programs only to keep you spending money rather than solving your weight problems once and for all. The 20-second trick to flattening your belly like a Victoria's Secrets model without starving yourself skinny or wasting hours at the gym. If you are interested, please click the link below the video. Hi, my name is Derek Waller. Yet my friends know me as the weight loss whisperer. Because I have a reputation of taking on the most difficult women and men who haven't been able to lose weight for years and transform their bodies in just minutes right in their own living room. And because my methods are so short and simple, it's nearly impossible not to see results after just a few days. And after receiving thousands of emails from desperate weight gain sufferers around the world in their 30s, 40s, 50s and even 60s, I discovered one serious problem that was sabotaging everyone's results. Too much strenuous exercise, which led to uncontrollable inflammation in the belly and made it impossible to burn belly fat. You see, your body naturally produces inflammation atoms when there's too much stress and pressure from long cardio workouts or extreme workout DVDs. These inflammation atoms flow throughout your belly and form pockets that bind together and make your stomach stick out. So if you look down right now and your belly is sticking out and hanging over your pants, it's because you have a massive buildup of inflammation atoms that are now wreaking havoc on your internal systems and have already created a toxic environment that makes losing weight harder than winning the lottery. The good news is, you can instantly eliminate your inflammation atoms and reverse the fat-storing hormonal defect that's made you a victim of being overweight for years. All in just 10 minutes. And this quick story will tell you exactly how a frustrated woman on the brink of tears led me to this breakthrough belly slimming secret. If you are interested, please click the link below the video. When I started my online weight loss program a few years ago, Jennifer was my first member. She was in her late 20s. And although most people assume someone that young must have a scorching metabolism and can eat whatever they want without gaining an ounce of fat, Jennifer was the exact opposite. She was working 3 jobs, had an active social life, yet she always had an extra 15 to 20 pounds she was carrying around that wouldn't budge. Which is what brought her to me in the first place. So I gave Jennifer a workout program for the first month, based on the 30-minute workouts I had used in person with my personal training clients and boot camp members. The only problem was, the workouts were too long and strenuous. See, she could join any old gym or boot camp and get a great 30-minute workout, but she didn't have time for that. With 3 jobs, she could only squeeze in a couple minutes here and there, and She needed help fast because her doctor said she was on the fast track to cardiovascular disease and diabetes if she didn't make some quick changes. So after an emotional phone call, where we went over her entire daily schedule, and I realized firsthand that these 30-minute workouts weren't possible for Jennifer, I locked myself in my home office and took a long, hard look at what I was doing. I prided myself on being able to help anyone get a flat and firm belly while making all their worst health ailments go away in a matter of months. And sure, I knew there were plenty of super short workouts online and that they were nothing new. However, after watching and studying hundreds of them, I noticed every single one was missing one thing that would deliver mind-blowing results. Each workout was lacking the one key that switches on your fat shrinking signal and makes weight loss all but guaranteed. And let's just say this belly slimming secret lies in the order, angles, and intensity that you work a certain group of muscles and body parts, which 99% of fitness experts completely ignore. So over the next few hours, I created a simple follow-along body sculpting program based on short, 10-minute home workouts that instantly activate this powerful fat-burning hormone every single day. And just a few short weeks later, Jennifer was down 15 pounds. Jennifer used the belly slimming secret and raved, "I lost over 15 pounds and had to buy all new clothes." Many of you know that this year I lost over 15 pounds, and a lot of you have asked how. With 3 jobs this year, it made it extremely difficult to go to the gym, and one day, I saw a post from trainer Derek Waller. He had come up with an at-home workout that you do only 3 to 4 times a week, which also comes with meal planning. This is how I dropped so much weight so quickly. He is great at encouraging and motivating you. He knows what he is talking about, and his program is so worth it. Those of you who saw the transformation know what I mean. Not only was I needing to find my old clothes again because I didn't fit into my current ones anymore, but then a couple months after that, I had to buy new ones as I didn't fit into my old clothes either. Thank you, Derek, for making my dreams a reality. So what is this breakthrough new slimming system that has thousands of women and men around the world activating their fat shrinking signals and finally seeing a tight and toned body in less than 21 days? I'd like to introduce you to Dynamic Activation Training, trademark, the only done-for-you slimming system that makes losing weight and melting away belly fat as easy and automatic as tying your shoes. What if losing weight and burning belly fat was as easy and automatic as tying your shoes? Honestly, when's the last time you had to think about tying your shoes? You don't. It just happens, right? It's so easy, it's automatic and just something you do every day. That's the secret behind the Dynamic Activation Training System. You do not have to follow a complicated exercise plan that leaves you exhausted while tearing apart your joints with dangerous high-impact exercises. You do not have to starve yourself skinny on some outrageous diet that makes you miserable only to gain all the weight back and more once you go back to eating normal. And you definitely do not have to worry about getting big and bulky on some one-size-fits-all program that doesn't understand what you truly desire for yourself and your body. The best part is, anyone at any age in any physical condition will activate your fat shrinking signal that literally shrinks your fat cells from the size of a golf ball down to a kernel of corn so you look and feel thinner immediately after your first workout. Turn off your hidden hormonal defect that starves your brain and has kept you fat against your will for years. Flatten and firm your belly while reversing dangerous diseases like heart hypertension, cardiovascular disease, and even diabetes without any pills or expensive medications. All in just 10 minutes. And you don't have to take my word for it. Introducing the Fat Shrinking Signal, the only step-by-step slimming system that turns off your hidden hormonal disorder and activates your belly shrinking signal that strips away ugly fat in just 10 minutes so you can visibly see a toned and trim body that's firm to the touch without long grueling workouts or dangerous starvation diets. I'm so excited to share this new total body slimming solution with you, so you can finally get the tight and trim figure you deserve without having to waste hours in a smelly germ-infested gym or count a single calorie ever again. The Fat Shrinking Signal is a 21-day home movement program that only uses your body weight to activate the most powerful fat-burning sensors in your body that have been dead and disabled for years. And the magic lies in each unique workout that activates your fat shrinking signal so you can burn off every last ounce of extra fat in just 10 short minutes. Here's your exact 4-step slimming sequence to see your flattest and most firm belly ever in just a few short weeks. If you are interested, please click the link below the video. Body Slimming Burst Number 1. Turn on your natural, fat shrinking signal, to see a flatter, more firm belly from day 1. To begin burning fat immediately on day number 1, you'll start with the Total Body Burn sequence. Activates your fat shrinking signal, that flushes out your trapped body fat so you'll look and feel slimmer almost instantly. Warning. Using this technique is like performing rapid liposuction on your body without the dangerous side effects or health risks. Only use this if you're ready for the psychological shift that comes when everyone treats you differently because you're now a skinny person. Body Shaping Burst Number 2. Unleash fat-burning signals to your starving brain to instantly release the trapped fat around your heart, belly, thighs and arms. In the second short burst workout, you'll discover the Shock Your System sequence that sends a fat-burning signal to your brain, heart, and belly, forcing your body to finally release the trapped fat that's been clinging to your body for years. Unique total body movements that sculpt your trouble spots and melt away flab from your most undesirable areas. The 5 shock points throughout your body that combine to release a powerful surge of fat-fighting hormones only when they're activated together at the same time. Body Sculpting Burst Number 3. Activate your internal fat flush feature to see your legs, thighs and butt instantly tone and tighten up every single week. The third short burst workout builds on the first 2, where you'll discover the 10-minute firecracker method that activates the fat flush response in your body and breaks up the thick pockets of fat for good, like a firecracker blowing up in the sky, and results in a magical show for everyone to see, which is exactly what your new body will be. The 40-second ultra stomach slimming movement that melts away your love handles in minutes so you'll look and feel thinner almost overnight. 1 odd total body movement that unleashes your anti-aging enzymes, which instantly turn back the clock and have you looking years younger in just a few short weeks. Body Shredding Burst Number 4. Ignite your rapid fat-burning flame fast to triple your fat loss and eliminate belly bulge forever. The 4th and final short burst workout builds on the last one to ignite your metabolic hotspots and release a fierce fat-burning flame that feeds on belly fat and burns it up faster than ever before. And in this short sequence, you'll discover the Fire Burner approach that ignites the fat-burning flames deep in your belly that run for hours and are nearly impossible to put out, so you'll burn double and sometimes even triple the fat because of this metabolism activation technique that 99% of doctors and fitness trainers don't know about. How to activate your metabolic hotspots to 5x your total body burn, leaving you slimmer and more toned without adding extra sets, reps, or minutes to the end of your short workout. The 2 total body movements that, when combined together, force an extreme calorie burn that dramatically lowers your blood pressure, relieves heart hypertension, and will add years onto your life while slimming your belly. And the best news of all for women and men over 30 is, if you are interested, please click the link below the video.